today we're gonna make. What's up, guys? And today we're gonna make a video, and I am Cat, and I'm gonna give people haircuts in every map that has whatever that razor sharp thing is. Okay? Finally, I said something correct. By the way, can you guys comment down below where to find the steering wheel? Like, where to find the steering wheel for the vroom vroom? The vroom vroom. Alright, so I know one map which I made, which I gave someone a low taper fade in yesterday. How has my battery gone down so much so far? Okay, I'm gonna give you a low taper fade. Low taper fade. Alright, bro. No more messing around. You're in the hood, okay? If you're gonna mess with me, I'm gonna make this good. I'm gonna give you the most insane low taper fade. Gulp. Yeah, just gulp on that wiener. I mean, get a gulp on that while I do my thing. By the way, this kind of helped me learn how to Lucio. Like, I don't even know how to Lucio, but I'm thinking, will that help me learn how to Lucio real time? Like, it's the same movement. Look, it's literally just... Let me chug something. I'm going to try to not spill any of this on treadmill. No. How much? Oh, it's infinite. Yesterday it wasn't infinite. Bro, I'm gonna bench this. How much? How heavy is this? I don't care because I'm still gonna bench it anyways. Flip! My bench was bad. Nobody cares about your stupid truth. Huh? I don't even care about this guy's trophies. I deserve them. Also, what the f is this? Oh, am I gonna run up or something and just poop? I'm gonna snipe him like I'm in Fortnite. Where's he at? What the f Yeah, where's he at? Where's he at?
Huh?
Alright, so you want your haircut over there? I got you. But wake up and you will face the consequences, okay? Let me just... Wake up, Michael, I'm making a video! I'm making a video! Alright, I'll give him a low taper fade. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna give him something random. No luck, just random. Done. I can't wait for him to wake up and see my masterpiece that I made for him. I'm stuck. Help. Like the masterpiece I made? Don't even try. No one in the hood when I slip that. 22 inch. Okay. Flip. Mayday. We're in Fortnite now. You're coming with me.
Yeah.
You're coming with me. Oh no! No! Let me... No, you ain't getting my gun. Okay. My favorite weapon in this game. No! Damn, your haircut looking mighty bad, bro.
Low.
Stop drinking alcohol! I just jabbed you in the most painful. Oh, Mo. I don't. I like the butcher shop, but it's just hard. Pause. Butcher shop is fun, actually. If I load in. And, now, since you're already Mr. Clean 2.0, let me give you some hair instead. Hair growth monitor thingy, whatever you use. There we go. I'm gonna get that. Ow, I punched myself. Oh, so I get to. Bro has no hair and he's still. Oh no, I'm sorry. Jump at me, watch what happens. Little boy got punished for block that challenge. Mr. Clean turns into Mr. Looking Good with the cleanest beard and moustache known to man. No, this isn't even that bad. Just need to finish the back. Hold. This actually isn't bad. Hold up. I'm gonna film. Yeah, I'm making a video. No, I opened them. You opened them. Alright, he's about to look fresh. He's about to look. That old patch, spray it down. Now, thank me when you wake up. Why is it so heavy? Thank me when you wake up. Do you thank me? Hey, look at me. Yeah, maybe you kind of do need the razor, your beard. I've got a little present for you when you wake up. Oh no. He's still down. I am a cat. Meow. Okay. So your mustache kind of looking bad. So let me. You're missing a bit. The thing is, I'm a cat and I'm doing this. Like, okay. I'm gonna give his beard a low taper fade too. And around here. You should be thanking me. You know, I kind of like being a barber. Is there a game called I Am Barber or something? Oh, I'm making his skin irritated. Let me just come on top. Just like cats do all the time. Well, obviously don't shave the beard, but like, okay, I'm just on the quiet. You'll wake up with some meat in your mouth, okay? Since you love meat, since you're a butcher. Stop putting the razor in my mouth. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna move his hand. This guy's gonna wake up. He better give me a 5-star review and not hit me with a piece of meat. Oh no. Okay, you know, he probably won't even notice. Does he have a mirror? No, okay. Oh, we're missing a spot. Hold up. Hair growth thing. We need to grow his hair and then ungrow it again. Because we can't have any patch. Okay, never mind. He just has patches, I guess. Okay, stop. Stop being a naughty cat and shave his beard. Shave. I mean, I gave the other guy a low taper fade yesterday, so I think I'm a good barber. If you guys saw that video, I gave that guy a low taper fade, the one that's repairing his car. I'm so sorry for hitting you in the nose. Wait, hold on. Is that his? Better give me 5-star review. I might be a good barber. Oh boy, my arm hurts. Just itch my nose real quick. There, I'm gonna just grab it. I'm gonna close his mouth then. You like sausages, right? Move up. You like. Yeah, he's dreaming of meat. Whoop. Here you go. Hold up. Alright. Okay. I'm not gonna look because this might get demonetized. Oh my god. Just eat that. Alright, now wake up. Thank me later. Never mind, it looks like you got chocolate on your lips. Holy flip. Oh, no. Not today. You're so lucky I couldn't flip. Okay. So, I gave him a nice haircut. Hi. Oh, you shaved it? Why'd you shave it? I gave you a nice one too. I spent all my time on that. You useless thing. Hot too. I am a cat. What do you expect me? to do. Oh, 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 oh. Grab. Help! Help! He's gonna kill me! Help! I don't wanna die! Oh yeah. I'm about to suplex you. Definitely not trying to find out this guy's password. I'm definitely not trying to get into his vault. It goes into the roof. Ah, you're gonna love this present. I don't like this guy. He's always breaking my things. Come at me. Suplex from top ropes. Watch. 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 Suplex from top ropes. Look at him. Got a little scratch. You're looking a bit itchy. Run. Run. Meow, back to you too. What do I even look like? I'm a kitty cat. Oh damn. Probably like spiders. I'm gonna name this guy Bobby is a Bobster, and this guy Tommy's a Tobster. Okay, Tommy's a Tobster. Tommy's a taster. No. Yes, just give me. I am security. Give me. What's the house? No, you know what? No, I'm backing it up. Let's do Granny. I'm joking. I want to knock some people out. So I'm going to duck, weave, dodge. What seems to be the issue? Wait, hold up. We'll repost our favorite one. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. What seems to be the issue? Welcome, Gangnam Style. Where's the new levels at? Come on. Show me a new level. It's all on this way. Celeste, take me. Why am I so slow? Bar's over here. You know what? No, I'm crossing the road. Never mind, I can't. No. Hey, you guys better buy me every single drink in this place, or I'm gonna beat you all up. When I come in, you're all gonna buy me all the drinks. You better, as soon as I step right in, all those drinks on the table. I'm beating you guys. Who am I gonna beat up today? They better put the drinks.
Did I cry during the lecture with Oprah? Absolutely.
Yeah, I plan on moving out of my mom's place soon.
So they did.
She's such a pain in the ass. I wish
Not
she'd leave
all
me
of the
alone.
drinks. You guys messed up.
I have no idea how to run this place.
I think his name at this bar is the Rumple Man. Do you?
This is worse than the time.
I'll flip.
Oh, look, a guy who's at the bar. Wait, I wasn't ready!
Flip. Oh no.
I'd ask you to leave, but I seriously need the business. You look at me again like my ex. Where's my dad? No one has ever gotten killed.
I'm just flooring taxes.
You're giving my
all
bar
the
a
time.
bad
Ready
rep.
to go.
I'll say less. Let's do it. Flip back. I'm unstoppable.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Uppercut. I'm gonna send someone to the moon.
I wish I built
animated
4
contest
I
for
need
li-
to come up with a new business. He stepped all over.
Flip, flip, flip.
You wore that shirt?
This is the only bar I have no problem screaming. Oh God, the accident!
Yeah, well, my friends got me back.
You can't judge me for being a drunk. My nickname at this bar is the
Oh, he swung!
Okay, my
You swung, you missed too.
Sir, please don't make me ask the bartender to...
Yes, I have another tale. of
Bartender
caution
ain't
for
here.
speech.
Whoa, why is everyone booing me?
Pop my captain plan, bro!
I only took this
Did
job
I-
because like
Go away.
shades.
I'm an old man.
Guess my
Please
dad
let
will
me
have to pay
go.
my medical bills
Either I
too
can
now.
break up your fight,
Or you can join it. Yeah, just join it. I'll beat you up anyways.
Now!
Flip, flip, flip.
I bet that's your
Why don't you
Honda
guzzle
out
down some
front.
more water
You know
down
what
there?
we do to Honda.
Clearly,
right?
that's all you can afford.
No one cares about your stupid things.
For the love of God!
Why do people like you keep coming here?
To be honest, I didn't even know.
I'm not ready for
I
this.
just come
Actually,
in.
how many hours is
I
it?
just
To
got
beat up.
punched by a
I just come here to beat up people that deserve it. So. Oh, flip! King Kong. It's King Kong.
This doesn't make sense.
Where's my mate?
I don't know. You can't arrest me. I'm underage, so you can't arrest me. That doesn't make sense. Flip. I own Squid Game. Yeah. No punching. Okay. No punching. I just stab people instead. And hit people with items. Okay. It says no. Why the flip am I? No way. I'm stuck short because I drunk that. I'm so short. I can barely even music. Have you seen my mommy? Hey yo.
I once
what?
cured the shingles, and then I realized I can make more money not curing the shingles.
Yeah, no one cares. Oh no, what have I done? Whoops, look, I'm destroying things.
Please, the Clintons tried to have me killed. Don't
Ow?
Ow!
Yeah, get stabbed, bro. This ain't no joke anymore. No!
My face isn't that punchable!
Well, it should be.
I picked up this suit from Goodwill. Can you tell?
I don't know where to light it. I'll flip.
Help! Ow! I'm gonna throw your ass off this...
Man, lots of low-flying planes around here.
Hey, you got
I
an
haven't
unpaid
lost this
tab
bad
at my
since I
place, just so you know.
What? I don't think I care, to be honest.
Oh my God, I'm about to get...
You can.
Don't start with
You're
me
getting
again.
your
Just
butt
don't.
beat up, bro.
You're starting to get a bad reputation, just so you know. Not as bad as my
I
bar.
don't even care.
You just don't know. Oh!
Yeah. To be honest, whatever you're about to say,
That's it. Gloves off
I
again.
don't really care. Yay!
You better finish what you started, brother. You're messing with the guy who made
Okay, I
being
will.
single. Ow!
I noticed you staring. Maybe it's because I'm familiar. I'm the face of Pennsylvania. You may have seen me on the...
Here, can you? When I tell you to move.
I know where
See,
you live.
what have you done with my cigarette?
When the global is over, I'll be looking down at you and
That's
laugh.
it. No. You're not going anywhere.
Are you trying to do a power move here? I wouldn't even hurt a
Please.
fly.
The Clintons tried to
At
have me
least this one better
killed.
than my
Don't
sister's
embarrass
last
yourself.
What?
Look. One message me. Let's fight.
What?
Let's fight. Come on.
This is
Come on
gonna
in,
hurt
come
worse
on
than
in,
when
come on
TJ
in,
Maxx.
come on. Get out.
It doesn't matter.
Come on.
They've
What happened to
already
being so
got me in
tough?
securities
What happened to
fraud.
being
About
so
my
tough
pet
and
store
scary?
money on a postcard.
Hey, you got an unpaid tab at my place, just so you know.
Oh my god.
They invited you to this wedding?
Yeah, they did. So what? Actually, they didn't. I just.
Bro, what?
I'm starting to think this idea might have backfired. Hold on. I think my plan worked. Oh, wait.
Even though I'm short, I can still beat the heck out of you guys.
Hashtag this.
You better
Hashtag
finish
what?
you started,
You wanna
brother.
try me? You wanna try me? Hashtag
Just
this.
don't know when to stop.
I know who I
I'm recording.
Oh!
You
Oh my
guys
God,
are
how
gonna
many
get
followers did I
pissed.
lose during that fight?
You guys are gonna get so embarrassed on
That's it.
YouTube.
Oh!
Ouch! I'm supposed to.
I learned all my self-defense moves from Ronda Rousey YouTube videos.
Yeah, I don't think anyone cares to be honest. But, say that.
Mr. Brian Green don't realize.
Doing back-to-back shots of vodka.
You wanna go? How many times
God,
have you
I'm
got your
drained
butt
this
beaten
weekend.
up
I gotta
today?
visit my girlfriend's parents, and her mom's laugh sounds like a cow that has throat cancer.
Eyes open! No fear! You left us for all the...
At least I'll get to be on my favorite.
Listen here, you little pissant. You keep screwing with me,
You're
and I'm
gonna
gonna grab
need
a
to
used
drink
syringe
after
off the
all
ground and throw it at your head like it's a...
Huh?
For the rest of your life, you'll see Pet Mania commercials and think,
Oh, you're not King Kong, just stop. Damn, but that guy is. Why am I so short? No, they ain't gonna get out like that though. And no, I'm here for round 2,
I
bro.
work part-time
Listen here, you
because
little
I'm not representing the money, because it's important to broaden your worldview as an actor.
Woof. Chalk this one up as another piece of my forever.
And then, it's so tough, huh? Come on, live a little. I'm trying to look for a red one. I don't know what kind of this is, but I'll flip. Holy flip, I'm drunk. Is this a fork? I'm a late in tennis. I'm the menu man up. Can you tell me where my mommy is? Why didn't you tell me where my mommy is? I want to take a break. I just want to catch another fight. Yes, I am sitting down, indeed. Hey, how did you know? Why is this top so dead? Ow, flip, I just pulled off. I make video for you guys daily. But I want to talk to this guy. I don't remember the last time we talked. Last time we talked was February 9th. Damn, that's a long time ago. Number still ain't answering. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, I wanna do something fun, bro. Let me look for a game. Sure, why not? Just go to shop and then apps and games and then take. By the way, my friend told me to set this up, okay? Okay? My friend told me to set this up. It was not me. I promise. I'm literally just trying to look for free. Can I not type shooting too? But damn. Breakout VR. What the flip? Oh yes, 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 yes. Why is my hand levitating? I'm literally just itching my arm. I'm not, my controller's my controller's next to me. Why is it pointing over there? As if I like damn. What up things did my friend get me playing, bro? Alright, let me do some rainbow flips or something, bro. I'm gonna turn it into Prime Ronaldo. Where's the game? Here. VRFS. I can't play on my sofa. Install. Yeah, bro. It's gonna be so excited when I pee myself, isn't it, bro? I'm gonna go bot v bot. I'm gonna be good. Holy flip! Damn. Pick up these balls. Throw them. Okay. Switch. Absolutely sky it. Curl. Oh, flip. Alright, practice with bots. Alright, say less. This is an actual game now. Bro, you suck. Hey, outs don't count. Absolute volley it. Flip. Okay, I still have my skill. Where the flip are you kicking that? No. I know. Fouls don't count. Fouls. There's no fouls. There's only absolute bangers. That was not a holy. What the flip are you doing? Absolute bicy it. That was like the worst chip I've ever seen. Just pass. Hey, fouls don't count. Oh, absolutely volley. Oh my god, that would have been the best volley in history. Please don't despair. Please cross. Bro, why am I shooting? Yeah, you go get it. You got backup if you need it. That was absolute rocket. Bro, what is this team? How is it? You're not even doing anything, so may as well get you out of here. Curled it. Why can I not do my supreme Get out. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Oh, this is a climax. This is a flipping climax of the story. Absolute powder. No! Monkey business. This is some monkey business. Fly tackle. What a tackle. That was a sensational tackle. Curled it! Oh my flip! curl it like Beckham. Bro, second time off the post when I bend it like Beckham. That's crazy. Bend it like Beckham twice. I say less. Take that ball, throw it back. Now back. Now back. The thing is, I'm right-handed and right-footed. Actually, no, I'm left-handed. No, flip. I'm right-handed and left-footed. So what? And I'm using my hands, but I'm also using my feet. It's like, what do? Bend it like Beckham. I'm better with my left hand though, for some reason. Hey, no foul. Just clear it, please. Please be the one to clear it. I'm the leader, I'm the alpha, I'm the one to trust. Away! No, tackle! Take it. I'll take that. Oh my god. Yes, my right hand is horrible. Take the ball! No worries. Thank you for that. Because I'm gonna flip and bend it like Beckham. Get out. You failed me. Oh no, I can defend. Oh hi. Where the flip did you come from? Where did you come from? Okay, what a save. Oh, thanks. I'm just trying to clear it, to be honest. Stop trying! You're not Ronaldo! Because I am. Where's the ball? Get out. Bro, I always hit like close to the post or something. Alright. You're not Ronaldo, you can't shoot! Okay, take that! Oh my god, why are you guys so bad at running? Okay, take that, you got that, Bluey. You got that. Yes, I'm calling you Blue, what are you gonna do about it? Why is this ball less movable than the others? Like, oh my god. Let me change the balls, hold up. Like, there was a ball that they could pass perfectly. Oh my god. This ball's giving them good luck. Oh no. See? Bend it like Beckham. Bend it like flipping Beckham. That was all your fault, teammate. Why do you have to come? I was literally right there. Oh, what a touch. What a skill. What a shot. No, it wasn't. Flip. Is there any better ball? Like, come on, quick, change it. Classic. Oh, hi there. I watch this tackle. One of you better. Oh, thanks. Thanks for that. Pass. Through. Thank you. And then just. That was all your fault. Oh wait, it was that guy's fault. Never mind. Okay, what a touch. Call me Ronaldo. Wait, hold up. Oh, flip. Sorry. I was kind of occupied, okay? But I still scored. Oh, wait, what? Huh? See how good this ball is? It's way better than the other one. Of course. Bro, I'm bending it. Like the best player on... Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll start from here. I'm in control. You can't stop me. I'm in control. Can't stop me. I'm in control. Absolute top bins. Spicy, spicy! Flip! So close to being the world's best spicy. Hold up. What a goal. The flip! Heck. I mean, I got a touch. But I think I could spicy. I think I could like, I think I could set up a spicy for myself. Like, it's not that hard, right? Can't. Why are you guys absolutely blasting it? And why did that guy just do circles? No. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, just let me. Yes, Joseph? What? Why? How? Oh, that game. What? I'm playing a football game right now where your hands are your feet. Yeah, and I'm actually cooking, and we could play together if you download it. And I would absolutely rainbow flick over you. Get out! No! Robot, I don't care if this is only a practice match. I'm gonna kick you. And then you're gonna act like Neymar. I'm gonna say to the referee, Faker! Oh my god, banging volley! Holy flip! I say right foot, creak down while in the heat. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see. Catch them there, walk down. Sorry. I just hit the most perfect volley in history. Okay, I'll join you. Holy flip. Yeah.